YouTube just launched a new monetization update. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a brand new update about monetization. So if you are new on this channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. As we dive into the main business of the day. What is YPP program? YPP program is YouTube Partner Program. Before you can be a member of the YPP program, which is YouTube Partner Program, you have to meet up the necessary requirement of YouTube for you to be able to be a member of this community, the YPP program community. And what are the requirements? The requirement for you to be part of this community is that first, you must have a 1,000 subscriber on YouTube. Second, you must have a 4,000 watch hours on YouTube. And thirdly, your content must be original content, no copyright strike. Your content must be something that is acceptable by the YouTube community, and it must be something that it is accepted, something that has undergone all the necessary requirement by YouTube for you to be able to be part of the YPP program. So that is what YPP programs mean, YouTube Partner Program. Benefits of being a member of the YPP program, the YouTube Partner Program, is this: one, you have the opportunity to monetize your video. You have the opportunity to monetize your content you create on YouTube. Second, you also have the opportunity to create or to put a link of a membership link on your channel for members to show appreciation, maybe to support what you are doing on YouTube, to have access to exclusive video on your channel. So this gives you opportunity to make massive income on YouTube. Some creators in the YPP program, the YouTube Partner Program, earn as much as $15,000 monthly. Some earn about $7,000 monthly. Some earn about $100,000 monthly, depend on your views, your monthly views. So I will like to encourage everybody watching this video to try as much as possible to create content that meets up with the YouTube requirements, so that you can be part of this YPP program, so that you can be member of this YPP program. Imagine if you are from Nigeria, because I myself am from Nigeria. Imagine you changing $15,000 to Nigeria currency, which means you are a millionaire on the whole. Changing $15,000 to Nigeria currency is really something that is motivating. It's really something that will change your life. YouTube is changing many lives from bad to good. YouTube is making millionaires, billionaires around the world. So I would like to encourage you to try as much as possible to meet up the YouTube requirements, so that you can be a member of the YPP program. Thank you very much. As you watch this video to the end to get all the latest updates I will share with you. Thank you. Let's continue. YouTube launched a new feature of monetization, and this feature is this: it allows creator to appeal a 7 days window to appeal before losing their monetization. For instance, if you have a reuse content suspension, you have the opportunity, a 7 days window will be given to you to appeal before you finally lose your monetization. Previously, it was not so. Once they detect, they suspend you straight ahead. but this new feature allow you to appeal. The appeal process involve you, which is the creator, to provide detailed information about how you create your video. You shoot a short video explaining how you create your content to the YouTube reviewer team to review your channel and check if your appeal is acceptable or not. During this process, it may take up to 21 days for them to review your channel, but in most cases it's not up to 21 days. The YouTube reviewer team can review your channel in maybe 2-3 days and give you feedback either via email or on your dashboard. So if your appeal is not acceptable, you will receive an email stating that your channel is still not eligible for monetization. If your appeal is acceptable, you will also receive an email stating that your appeal is acceptable and your channel is back to monetization stage. And I know you'll be very happy about seeing your channel getting back to monetization again. So this feature allow you to create a short video, just as I've explained previously. It is really a nice update. I know everybody would love to hear this. Thanks to YouTube for giving us this opportunity to appeal before losing our monetization. Thanks to YouTube reviewer team and the YouTube management for giving us this great opportunity for us to appeal before losing our monetization in the YPP program. No one will like to put all his effort, strength, time and resources in building a channel, and you just wake up one day and see that you get a notification on your email or you get a notification on your dashboard. You just wake up one morning and see a notification that your channel is not eligible for monetization anymore. It will be quite sad for you to see that. Maybe you wake up on one midnight, maybe around 12 a.m. to check your work on YouTube, and you see on the dashboard that your channel is not longer eligible for monetization. It is heartbroken. So this feature now gives you the opportunity to appeal before losing your monetization. So thanks for YouTube once again for this great opportunity. Thanks you all for watching this video. Share, like and subscribe to my channel. Once more, my name is Peter Wingalani, your host today. Thank you.